Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Concept, and today we are going to look at how to create an opening sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Welcome to Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So for this tutorial, I have just one clip here in my project, and I'm just going to click and drag it onto the timeline to create a sequence. Let me mute this for a second so that I don't disrupt you guys with so much noise. So if I go ahead and play this, this is what we have. Now, there are basically two ways I create this. The first one is actually to use black bars, so they open up or close down to reveal or hide the video. And to do that, just go to your project panel, right click and go to new item, and under the new item click on black video. You can also just click on the new item icon right here and just click on black video and click on OK. Just leave everything the way it is and click on OK. Now click and drag this onto your video like so, on top of your video, and as you can see, the black video is like this, then it just moves to the next one. So what we are going to do is actually create a duplicate. Now in doing so, we just first of all want to move this about 50% away from where the video is. So I'll just click and drag this to the top somewhere around here. So let's say 40, let's make it 50. So right around here is fine, and I'll create a duplicate of this. So holding down the Alt key, I'll click and drag this video up. So now you see we have two of this. So with the second one selected, I'll just click and drag it like so to the bottom, so somewhere around here. So that is around 1080. Now let's change this to probably 60. Let's see how that is also looking like. Okay, so right around there is fine, or 0 is fine. So basically what we are going to do is create keyframes for these two black videos to move away from each other. So I'll start off with the, what do you call this? The timeline pointer. It's going to be at the beginning because I'm going to be revealing, and I'll create a position keyframe for the first one, and I'll move right around here, and I'll just move this away. So that is going to be somewhere around here, so away like this, and that is it for the first part. Then I'll go to the second one, same at the same exact point. I'll create a position keyframe. I'll move over to the beginning and create another position keyframe. Now I want the second one to move away from the video, so I'll also click and drag this to the top like so. So if I go ahead and play this, this is what we have. So we have two videos revealing like this and like that. Now if you want to do this the other way around by ending a video, then instead of creating the black videos moving away from each other, you are going to bring them closer to each other. Basically it's the same thing but reversed. So for the second one, let's bring this over here. For the second one, is quite simple. All you have to do is go to the effects panel. Note, I'm saying effects panel, not effect controls. Effects panel. If you can't find it, just go to window and look for it right here. The other key is hold down the shift key and press the number 7. Is going to show up. Then for the effects panel, search for crop. So that is CROP, and that should be under the transform options. Click and drag it onto your video like so, and you should get the option right here under the effect controls. So under effect controls, you are going to create two keyframes. So we want to reveal the video, so we are concentrating more on the top and the bottom. So what we do is, you notice we have left, top, right and bottom. We are concentrating on top and bottom only. So I'll create a keyframe for the top, I'll create a keyframe for bottom, and move over to where I want the video to come in and create keyframes for them as well. Now you may have noticed that the, what do you call it, the value which is right here at the percentage, it's basically the exact same thing. That is why you are not even seeing any difference. So what we want to do is, at the final end, we want to create a different should I say different? Yeah, we want to create a different keyframe or different value for it so that we can actually see the transition. I'll actually move to the beginning and change the value here to 50%. So 50 and hit enter. And as you can see, it chops off the 50% mark. Then the bottom, I also set it to 50%, and that is also going to chop it off. So if I go ahead and play this, it starts at 50%. And as you can see, if you look over here, let me stretch this out just a bit. You notice that the value is changing. So as the video is moving, the value changes from 50 for both top and bottom till the time it gets to the 0 mark. And the 0 mark is where the video actually shows. So if you go ahead and play this, this is what we have. We have a nice transition like this. So just like before, if you want to end the video with this, you have to change the value. So the first one is going to be right around 00. Then at the end is going to be 50 for the top and 50 for the bottom. So what you get is once the video is about to end, it just collapses into the black bars like so. And practically that is it. You can do it for left and right also. So you have more like a closing and opening curtains. And that is it. So let me know which one you will be interested in using, whether the black video version or you would prefer using the crop effect version. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like to watch more of our videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Final Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.